Grade 9 Physics Chapter Motion Module 4. At the end of this module, you will be able to define retardation, derive equations of motion, solve problems by using equations of motion. In the previous module, we have learned that acceleration takes place when the velocity of a body changes. The velocity of a body may increase or decrease. Accordingly, the acceleration is of two types: positive acceleration and negative acceleration, or acceleration is defined as the change in velocity per unit time. The negative acceleration is called retardation or deceleration. That is, if the velocity of a body increases, the acceleration is positive, and if the velocity of a body decreases, the acceleration is negative. Retardation is measured in the same way as acceleration. That is, retardation is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time taken, and has the same units of meter per second square. Now, let us check an example. When a car driver traveling at an initial velocity of 10 meter per second applies brakes and brings the car to rest in 5 seconds, then acceleration A equals V minus U by T, that is 0 minus 10 by 5. Here 0 is the final velocity. That means when the car comes to rest, its velocity will be 0. That means final velocity will be 0. So 0 minus 10. 10 is the initial velocity divided by 5, the time taken. A equals minus 2 meter per second square. The minus sign indicates negative acceleration or retardation. Now let us discuss about equations of uniformly accelerated motion. There are three equations for the motion of those bodies which travel with a uniform acceleration. These equations give relationship between initial velocity, final velocity, time taken, acceleration, and distance traveled by the bodies. We will study these equations one by one. The three equations of motion are: the first one, V equals U plus AT, S equals UT plus half AT square, and the third, V square equals U square plus 2AS, where V is the final velocity, U initial velocity, S displacement or distance, A acceleration, and T time taken. To solve the problem on motion, we should remember that if a body starts from rest, its initial velocity u equal to 0. If a body come to rest, it stops. Its final velocity v equals 0. If a body moves with a uniform velocity, its acceleration a equal to 0. Now, let us check a problem. A bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. Find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. Here we have velocity u. Initial velocity u equal to 0 meter per second and acceleration is 0.1 meter per second square. Time is equal to 2 minutes, and here we have to convert it into seconds. That means 120 seconds. The speed acquired. Listen, here we can use the same formula V is equal to U plus AT. When quantities like acceleration, time taken are included in a question, we have to use the first equation of motion to find the speed. That is, V is equal to U plus AT. So by applying values, we will get V equals 12 meter per second. Thus the bus will acquire a speed of 12 meter per second after 2 minutes with the given acceleration. In this module, we have learned about The negative acceleration is called retardation. And we have learned the three equations of motion.